Okay, aquí vamos with the árboles. Jason's got them balanced on his shoulder here. These are the fruits, the anonas, some criollo lemons and mandarinas. Got Luis down there going with some manzana rosas and some guavas for the quebrada. There goes Robert, some caimitas. It's our little system over the years to get the stuff out to the campo. This is what we call very simple because it's all grass. We got somebody afilando acá. Que ustedes van a ir en el internet, ¿saben eso?
Sí.
Y sí. Dicen hola al mundo.
Hola.
¿Cómo se llama usted?
Henry.
Henry.
Sí.
Es un reforestador del mundo aquí en Costa Rica. Saludos, Henry.
Hola. Gracias.
Sí. Got the waterfall falling up there and some clouds rolling by. It's really beautiful, huh? Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. There's the little bee buzzing around my face. Hi. Thank you.